Yeah, I just want to provide you with a little bit of feedback on your essay. And the first thing I want to point out is just we come down to here, and I was noticing that you were talking about, I think you're not describing very clearly exactly what screen capture does. And I think it's very important that we explain that if you highlight anything, if you write anything, if you move your cursor on the screen, on the student's written work, then that comes out in the essay, because I don't think you're making that point very clearly here. So I think you might need to rethink that point. Another little point I just want to bring up is here, you use the word live. Now, I think live is not really the right word. I think you're going to need to explain. It's not a live recording, because obviously the student is playing it back after the teacher has made the recording. But what it is more is a conference. It's very similar to conferencing in the way that it kind of feels like the teacher's sitting next to you going through your work and explaining some of the mistakes. So maybe I think here is the wrong choice of word, and you might need to think about that as well. I think one of the things here is you've pointed out different screen capture tools, and it might be a good idea that when you point out these tools to talk about which tools are free and which tools are paid, because Jing is a free tool, but Camtasia certainly will cost teachers I think it's about $170, $180 to buy. So I think it would be useful to provide that information in your essay.